Get ready for some family fun in the sun at the theme park capital of the world, Orlando, Florida. Introducing the Orlando Experience, brought to you by Bumper to Bumper. 30 lucky technicians will each win a grand prize trip package for a family of 4, where they will create magical memories on a vacation of a lifetime. Winners can sit back and relax, or get out and enjoy some thrill rides with the family on a 5-night, 6-day trip to one of the nation's greatest destination locations. Your vacation kicks off in May 2019 with a special welcome reception and beach party barbecue. Then let the fun begin. Over the next 3 days, you can experience Orlando's major theme park attractions, enjoy playing championship golf, relax at the spa, or have some family fun by the pool, and much, much more. When the sun sets, there will be group dinners, entertainment, and the opportunity to get away and enjoy the Orlando nightlife. In addition to the grand prize winners, Bumper to Bumper is also giving away a total of $45,000 in gift cards to 240 other lucky technicians during this exclusive 2018 fall promotion. For the months of September, October, and November, every qualifying invoice from your Bumper to Bumper supplier earns an entry. My Place for Parts users are automatically entered after every qualifying invoice. Get ready for the Orlando Experience Sweepstakes. Grab your sunglasses, work on that base tan, and get your family pumped to make some memories in Orlando, courtesy of Bumper to Bumper. Void where prohibited. No purchase necessary. For official rules, please visit www.orlandoexperiencesweepstakes.com.